In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple landing pages on Shopify. The key idea is that Shopify lets you make different page templates inside your theme. Each template can have its own layout and sections, so you can build multiple landing pages that look and feel different without needing separate themes. In this walkthrough, we will focus on creating the template, which is the foundation for those landing pages. Start by going to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. Then choose Themes. You will see your current theme listed there. Find the option that says Customize and click it. This opens the theme editor, where you control how pages are laid out and what sections appear on them. Once you are in the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen for a drop-down menu. This drop-down controls what type of content you are editing, such as your homepage, products, collections, or pages. Open that drop-down and choose Pages. After selecting Pages, look for the option labeled Create Template. Click Create Template to start making a new page template. Now you will need to name the template. Use a clear name that matches the purpose of the landing page, like Summer Landing or something similar that you will recognize later. Good naming helps you stay organized, especially when you have several landing pages for different promotions, audiences, or campaigns. Also, keep the name simple and consistent, because you may end up creating multiple templates over time. Next, you will choose what to base the template on. Select Default Page as the starting point. This is a safe option because it copies the standard page structure you already have, so you are not building from scratch. It also helps ensure your new template follows your theme styling, which keeps your store looking consistent and professional. After you confirm, the new template is created and ready for you to customize further within the theme editor. At this stage, you have successfully built the template you will use for an additional landing page layout, and that is all there is to it.